Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download HubSpot Customer Lifecycle Stages for Sales detailed guide. To download HubSpot Customer Lifecycle Stages for Sales, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. In the top navigation menu, look for Contacts. Hover over Contacts to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Lists. On the Lists page, you will see an option to create a new list. Click on the Create List button located in the top right corner. Choose whether to create a contact list or company list based on your needs. For this guide, we will focus on a contact list. Give your new list a descriptive name, such as Customer Lifecycle Stages. Scroll in the Filters section, locate the Lifecycle Stage property. Click on the drop-down to view the available lifecycle stages. Select the specific stages you want to include in your download. Once your filters are set, click on the Apply Filter button. The page will refresh, displaying the contacts that match your selected lifecycle stages. Review the contacts to ensure they meet your requirements. Next, look for the Actions button on the right side. Click Actions to reveal additional options. From the drop-down, select Export. A dialog box will appear prompting you to choose the export format. You can choose either CSV or Excel format. Select your preferred format and click on Export. HubSpot will begin generating your export file. Once the export is complete, a download link will appear. Click on the link to download the file to your computer. After the download is finished, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Open the file to review your downloaded customer lifecycle stages. You are now equipped with the HubSpot Customer Lifecycle Stages for Sales. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.